Now I'm going to show you how to mount your watercolor pictures. So when you've finished all four and they're dried, you need to pick out your construction paper that you want to put in the background and be sure that it gets cut so that it's a 12-inch by 12-inch square. You can pick any color that you want. It does not have to be the same color as your main color for your four pictures. Then, on the back of all four of your pieces, we're going to use a little bit of double-sided tape. So with this, we don't have to curl it. We just get a little square like this. I don't know if you can really see the size. There we go. Just a little square for each corner. And just put it straight on there. We want to be sure to use all four corners because your watercolor paper will curl a little bit. So that's why we're not going to put something just across the center. Then, when we mount, you have to decide which pieces you want where. And I've already got my tape on all my other pieces. Decide which order you want them in and what direction you want them to be. Kind of look at it and decide which looks best. And then we need to look at the spacing. So we're going to look at both the space in between the pages and around the edges. And we want it to be the same. So I'm not going to put them all super close. I want to kind of balance my spacing in the middle and outside. The other thing I want to check for is to make sure that they're straight with the edges. I don't want them to be a little crooked. I want to get them as nice and straight as possible so that it looks the best for when we're hanging them up in the hallway. Once you have those set, then you want to carefully make sure you get all four pieces of tape stuck down really good. And when you reach for them, be careful that you don't bump them before you get to them and mess up where you have them placed. All right, then it's ready for you to hang up to take a photo of it and put on Art Sonia.